Namaskar. Again, welcome you to Sporting Angels Educational Spectrum. In the previous video, we discussed about the revolutionary age between 1830 to 1848. After 1848, nationalism in Europe moved away from democracy and revolution. As you have seen, till 1848, the nationalist feelings were widespread in educated middle class, and these educated middle class tried to unite the different regions of the Confederation into a nation state governed by an elected parliament. The liberal initiative to nation building was, however, repressed by the combined forces of the monarchy and the military, supported by the large landowners called the Junkers. Do you know in Persia the landowners were called the Junkers? This Junkers term is very important. From then on, Persia took on the leadership of the movement for national unification. Its chief minister, Otto von Bismarck, was the architect of this process, carried out with the help of the Persian army and bureaucracy. Three wars over 7 years with Austria, Denmark, and France ended in Persian victory and completed the process of unification. In January 1871, the Persian king William I was proclaimed German emperor in a ceremony held at Versailles. On the bitterly cold morning of January 1871, an assembly comprising the princes of the German states, representatives of the army, important Persian ministers, including the chief minister Otto von Bismarck, gathered in the unheated hall of mirrors in the palace of Versailles to proclaim the new German Empire headed by Kaiser William I of Persia. The nation building process in Germany had demonstrated the dominance of Persian state power. The new state placed a strong emphasis on modernizing the currency, banking, legal and judicial systems in Germany. Persian measures and practices often became a model for the rest of the Germany. So, the unification of Germany, which was earlier attempted by the liberals in 1848 and the attempt had failed, was now completed from 1866 to 1871. Keep watching this video. In the next video, we shall be talking about the unification of Italy. Till then, stay fit, stay healthy, take good care of yourself. Thanks for joining.